My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called Aawt. Aawt is the ransomware that belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. This particular ransomware acts in a very aggressive manner. It encrypts the files and it damages the files essentially. My video is a demonstration. It's an educational purpose of the video. I'm just showing you what happens when this ransomware affects the files. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your data without troubles. But regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the device. Then very soon people realize that they cannot use their data anymore because their data got damaged and encrypted by this ransomware. Typically it happens after people restart their computers, so then they realize that they just cannot use their data because the ransomware has damaged this data. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, you should not pay the ransom. Don't pay the ransom, don't waste your money. If you mistakenly pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money without getting your data recovered. So these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. The ransomware is called Aawt because it adds this extension to the files after encrypting them. You try to open the specific file and this is the message that you get saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the Aawt extension. Once again, listen to me carefully, do not pay the ransom, don't ever waste your money. Paying the ransom is a bad idea. I recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then start thoroughly researching and investigating your system with its help. Also, pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner only removes this ransomware, but it does not restore the files. Click on the Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Then the scanning will begin by Combo Cleaner. And at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats which were revealed on the computer. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or even several folders on the system that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But that feature, of course, is the part of the premium license only. But you can always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. I recommend that you choose premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.